Hi guys, it's Millie and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So since we're in quarantine and can't leave our house, I really need to get my nails off because they are literally catching on everything. Like I was trying to just like do this with my hair before and my hair fully got caught in this nail. Like they're so disgusting and grown out. Like it's just, they're not nice. In today's video, I will be doing my nails. Now I have bought some actual like SNS like stuff. Like as you can see, I've got like the proper like means to do it. So my nails used to be rainbow because I thought that was pretty fun since I didn't have school, and I was just like, oh my god, let's just go colourful. But today I have pink and purple. Got all my tools down here, acetone, all the steps of the nails, got my buffer files, cuticle pushers, cotton balls and the dips. And all I'm going to do is take some cotton wool. I think that's enough for my pinky. Open up the acetone. Pour a little bit on the... Oh, that just spilled everywhere. That is so cold. I'm going to just put it on my pinky nail. Soak that. And then with the aluminium foil, I'm just going to fold that over. And... that does not feel tight, that's okay. Like so. Also, if you haven't already worked it out by now, sort of have no idea what I'm doing. That's okay though, a little bit of an adventure. These nails will probably turn out super badly, but it's okay, I don't really mind. I honestly just want my nails off and have something new. I got 2 fingers on. Looking good, very cold. Okay, so it's future me right now, and I realized before I actually put this on, I was meant to file off like the shiny coat of my nails. So before you wrap them up in the foil, you actually need to like file off the top coat, because you need to like let it so that it can get to like the layers underneath, like the acetone can. Okay, so I've got the foils on, and now I'm just gonna wait for like, I don't know, I think it's like 20 minutes. While I'm waiting, I'm just Snapchatting people. That's what I do best. Alright, so it's been about 20 minutes and I'm just gonna like take this off and see how my nails are going. I mean, it's got like half the nail off. So I'm gonna take a nail file. Okay, so I'm just gonna file the rest of my nails down and then put on the pieces of foil again. Once you've got your foils on for the second time, I think you just leave these ones for about 15 minutes, then come back and check on them, and they should be coming off by now. So I'm just going to take these off, and I feel like they're going to be ready. If they're not, like, what the heck is going on? Oh, look at that. All came off. Let me show you. My nails are really gross, by the way. I'm so sorry. As you can see, they've mostly come off. My nails are so disgusting, by the way. I'm really sorry about that. I'm just going to file them, like the leftover polish off, just to ensure that everything's off. My patience is about as thin as my nails. So I've got all my nails off and all the polish. So then I've got this buffer. Now this buffer I found at our chemist like a while back, and I'm just going to use it. I don't even know, it looks kind of weird. I don't actually know what buffing does, but nail salons buff your nails, so I'm just going to do it, you feel me? My nails are prepped and they've been buffed and filed and stuff. It is time to go and actually start painting them. So I've got my 2 colours. I've got pink and purple. As I said before, I'm going to go pink, purple, pink, purple. So I'm using the Gelish Dip Basics kit. We bought it online. I'm pretty sure you can find like other brands. You just search it up. This camera is getting on my nerve. It's time to actually start painting my nails. So I'm starting with the Gelish Prep. And you put the prep on your nails. These brushes are kind of weird though, like they split, and I'm like, hello? I'm kind of nervy. I haven't like done this on myself yet, so we'll see how this goes. So once the prep is on, oh, this is the scary bit. You're gonna take one of your dips. I'm gonna start with pink, I think. Open that up. Getting the base. So it says to put this on like 3/4 of your nail, but I don't really know what that means. So I'm just gonna sort of put a thin coat all over. And then 45-degree angle, in it goes. So as you can see, it's pink. And I'm going to need a few more coats. Let's put on another coat. And put that in a 45-degree angle. Tapping off the excess. Oh, okay. Pop off. I did it. I'm done with the base. I'm going to take the activator and put on a coat of this. Let that dry. Round 2. Now I'm just going to let that sit there. So with every layer, especially with the base coat, you want the coats to be really thin so that when you dip it into the dip, it doesn't like get all thick. So you can do 3 coats, but for the color that I have, I only need 2, and this color is Go Girl, and then the purple one is Invitation Only. Okay, so then I'm taking my buffer and I'm going to just smooth out the nail. It's okay if it makes the polish look weird because it'll be fixed. It's okay. You can also do this with a nail file. We did this with a nail file yesterday and the nails turned out fine as well. Perfect. That feels pretty smooth to me. Then I'm adding another layer of activator. Going onto the nail. So this is actually pretty easy to do. Like, it's mainly just the taking off process that takes a while. And then I just wait 20 seconds for that to dry. Then top coat. I always have struggles with this bottle. And then I'm doing 2 coats of top coat. Put another one on now. And then we let that dry for 5 minutes and then it's done. Okay, so I've zoomed up a little bit closer with this camera. And I'm just gonna like speed through me doing the rest of my nails. Yeah, I just want to let you guys know, don't be surprised if I'm suddenly a nail tech, because honestly, I'm really like pulling through with this. Doing this hand, which is actually very exciting. They kind of look really bad, but they also kind of look good. Like when you actually look up close, they are not very good, but it's also like they're cute. Now to just finish it off, I've got this like cuticle therapy stuff, and I think it's just oil for your cuticles, because my cuticles were really deep looking crusty right now. I'm back with the final nails. Okay, well this is what they look like. My hands look a bit greasy and weird and gross right now. Cute. They actually look fine from far away. Up close they're a bit dodgy, but honestly they are still good, so there's no need to hate on them, because yeah, they're actually still pretty good. The hand my mum did is way better than the hand I did though. That's okay though, we kind of expected that. Anyways, so that's how I do my SNS nails, and that's how you can do them too if you've like got the same kit or anything like this. So yeah, that's me doing my nails. If you're in quarantine, it could be something to consider if you've got nothing to do. Honestly, after a while, this will save you heaps of money from going to a nail salon, except you will be limited to some colours. Doesn't matter though, because I love the colour pink and I love the colour purple, and I genuinely get pink every time I go, so it doesn't really matter to me if I'm stuck with pink the whole time. But anyways, yeah, so this was fun to do. I've got my final nails, as I've showed you. I think they're really cute. Like, I love the colour. So yeah, that's about it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! I'll wave this way so you can see my nails.